Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make ramen from Naruto, only way. Start by gathering fresh noodles, pork, broth ingredients, and Naruto fish cakes. I'll walk you through making a balanced broth, seasoning to taste, and layering toppings for texture and flavor. You'll learn simple techniques to render pork fat, simmer aromatics without bitterness, and finish with soft eggs and crisp scallions so your bowl looks and tastes like a ramen shop. Crafting the broth is where your ramen earns its soul. Begin with chicken and pork bones, roast if you like, then simmer slowly for hours to draw out collagen and body. Add aromatics like onion, ginger, and garlic midway, and strain carefully to remove solids. Taste and adjust salt at the end so the broth remains bright, then hold warm while you assemble noodles, pork, Naruto, and toppings for a harmonious bowl. Noodles and toppings define your bowl's personality, so treat them with care. Boil noodles until just al dente, drain and rinse briefly if needed, then warm briefly in hot broth before serving. Slice chashu thinly and place atop the noodles, add marinated soft eggs halved, and scatter Naruto, scallions, nori, and sesame for crunch and umami. Balance salty, fatty, and fresh notes so each spoonful feels purposeful and satisfying.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.